Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I would like to show you how to cut a lace of a lace front wig. Since this question keeps popping up directly to me or also in some Facebook groups, and although there are other great tutorials out there of my fellow wig sisters, I'm also here to help, so I wanted to show you myself. So if you want to see how to cut back the excessive lace, then stick around and let's get started. So I have this new wig called Onda by Alvin, which has a lot of excessive lace. It's about 5 to 6 millimeters too long, as you can see here. And this one is especially white. Usually it's more nude colored, skin colored, but this one is very visible. So that's why I want to cut it as short as possible. Now you can use whatever pair of shears you have. As long as they're sharp. You can use these salon type scissors for cutting hair. They're very sharp. This is a good tool. Or what the manufacturers recommend are these pinking shears with the zigzag pattern. There's one by John Renault, which is quite pricey. So I'm suggesting, if you don't want to spend that much money, I'm suggesting this one that you can get on Amazon for about 15 to 20 bucks. And I think it's just as good. I'm really happy with it. I'll put the link to this down in the description. So it's important when you start cutting that you cut very close to the hairline. It doesn't matter if you cut off some of the fibers in front. I personally like to cut right at the hairline, so you know, all the excessive lace is gone and the hairs from the hand knotted part have an irregular line and look more natural, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's start. So I changed hair and wanted to show you the result after I, styled her a little. You could see that I got out quite some fibers from cutting right at the hairline, but that really doesn't matter. I mean, there are enough fibers, and just don't worry. So let's have a close-up look at the result. I hope you can see. no excessive lace, and it looks much more natural this way. Now I'm really happy with Onda, and think I will wear her for the first time tomorrow. So I hope this little tutorial was helpful, and if you liked it, please leave me a like, and I'd be even happier if you also subscribed to my channel so you won't miss my future videos. And there's a new one coming out each Friday at the moment. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments down below and I'll be glad to reply. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope you're well, stay that way, and I will see you again soon in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. How to cut a lace of a lace front wig. Yeah. I will link it in the info. I will link it in the info box. Info box? I'll put the link to this down in the info box, in the description. Yeah.